Hello, my name is Mehmet. If you're type of the person who likes to create your own way in every step of your life, including finding buyers for your products and services in other countries, I have a solution for you. I believe it is possible to reach email information of buyers, importers, and distributors in other countries for free, online, and most importantly, on your own. I show you this through beautifully explained and simple to understand series of videos, including easy to apply techniques. As you know, almost all business operations have moved to online platforms within the last 2 years due to recent conditions. As a result of this, manufacturers and traders haven't been able to join fairs nor visit other countries to promote their products and services. Therefore, reaching email information of buyers, importers, and distributors has gained more importance than ever. Topics of this course are made of real-life applications and experiences which will be practical for your use while trying to reach email information of buyers, importers, and distributors to promote your products and services. I'm passionate to hearing your successful result after following my guidance. I hope you will enjoy the course.